Imagine this: Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, the biggest tech giants on Earth, are building the most powerful AI tools we've ever seen. But what if they said, no one can stop us for the next 10 years? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. It's very real, and it's happening right now in the United States. In a move that has sparked serious debate, some of the largest tech companies in the world are quietly pushing the US government to block individual states from passing their own AI laws. Yes, you heard that right. Instead of allowing each of the 50 US states to make decisions on how AI should be regulated, these companies are asking for one national rule. And something more. They want a 10-year ban on any state-level regulation of AI. That means, from California to New York, Texas to Florida, no local government would be allowed to make its own rules to protect its people from the risks of AI. Not until the year 2035. Now you might ask, why are these companies doing this? According to them, it's all about simplicity. They argue that dealing with 50 different sets of AI rules would create chaos. It would slow down innovation, increase legal battles, and make it harder for American companies to compete globally, especially against countries like China, where AI growth is lightning fast and centralized. So, in their view, one clear national law would speed up innovation and help them dominate the global AI race. But let's look at the other side of the coin. Because many experts, lawmakers, and researchers are sounding the alarm. What if AI systems, created and controlled by a few corporations, start making biased decisions? What if these systems spread misinformation? What if they replace jobs at a massive scale, or are used in ways that invade privacy or manipulate public opinion? And here's the scariest part. If states are banned from regulating AI, who will step in when things go wrong? What if there's a disaster caused by AI in one state, and local leaders are powerless to act? That's the big concern. Giving unchecked freedom to tech companies, especially for 10 years, could be a serious gamble. Because once a system is deployed at scale, also whether it's used in education, healthcare, policing, or finance, the consequences of bad design or abuse can be massive. And there's something else the public needs to know. This isn't being debated openly on TV or in public hearings. These companies are trying to quietly insert this AI freedom clause into a massive US government budget bill. The kind of document that runs hundreds of pages and rarely gets read line by line. If it passes, the decision will be locked in, and no state will be able to create its own AI rules until 2035. That's over a decade where the most powerful technology in human history could grow, without local checks or balances. Yes, we all want better AI. Smarter tools, more automation, faster services. But we also want safe AI, fair AI, and most importantly, accountable AI. So the real question becomes, should big tech be trusted with a 10-year free pass? Or should every state, every local government, have the right to protect its own people? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This is one of the most important debates of our time, and it deserves your voice. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to BriefWire, the world in minutes, for more fast, smart tech updates every week.